My name is Kabi. I love you and I love you to make people smile.
I want to thank me for believing in me. I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.
Without them, I wouldn't have been able to, live a dream.
Pretty savage, because I love this dance move and I'm the only one who do this.
Well, thank you from deep down in my heart. I thank you.
And although time may take us into different places, I will still
has always been a great way of self-expression for me.
And we are in England for the first time, and